Take a one big fat chicken. And now put in 2 gallons of water. Now don't forget to put in the salt, pepper, garlic. Stick it in a pot and boil it.
1 hour later.
Ooh. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn over the chicken and let it sit with the fire off. Remove the chicken from the pot and peel the meat off the bone. Now you are going to add your onions, celery, and carrots. Simmer for 30 minutes. Now we're going to add our chicken powder, garlic powder, oregano, and black pepper. Now take half of your flour and all of your butter, put it in the microwave, let it melt a little, and stir it up to make a roux. Now bring back to a simmer for 5 minutes. Now we're going to take the other half of the flour and the liquid from the can of corn. Stir it up and add it to your soup like a slurry. Now it's time to add your chicken and your peas. Now bring back to a simmer, then turn off the fire. Your soup is ready to serve. What I'm doing here is I'm removing half of my soup. And then I'm going to turn the other half into pot pie filling. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water as a slurry, bringing it back to a boil, then removing it from the fire and putting it in the refrigerator overnight to get ready for my pot pie.